Get your laughing gear around the ultimate B&E burger. And we're going to make our own bacon to do it. First step, we're going to use the Macon Bacon cure. So we're going to use 6 teaspoons per kilo of pork belly. Beef navel works well too. Take a little cut in the corner and then just basically cut away from yourself until you can peel it off, and you can turn that into like chicharrones. Hello, Clarice. Even coat of cure across all sides of your pork. Because remember, if you're going to eat all sides, season all sides. Because I'm a tight fucker, make sure you dab up any rub that's come off because we've used no binder. For Christ's sakes, Pat, don't rub. Save that for the goddamn bedroom. All right, piss off all the air, seal her up. Then you're going to bang pepper into the fridge for 7 days. Right, bang into the fridge. Now we play the waiting game. Don't forget to flip up. Just rinse that cure off. A light coat of award-winning Oz Dirt seasoning. I'm going to throw it into the little Weber jar. When it hits at 150 Fahrenheit, 66 Celsius, we'll pull it out. Lube up your buns. Bacon into a cold pan, then low heat. Check out all the fat that's rendered from that cold pan. I'm gonna bang this down my neck hole. Bang it in.